Wow, pagkano ba yan? Mahal ha? Puti nga lang. Ah, mahal pa rin. Ikaw, kung gusto mo. Kung gusto mo na. Ito mas maliit. Ito maganda yung harapan. Magkano? 33. Mahal. Kasi yung mileage kasi no. Okay, tayo na. O gani. Oh guys, Kate putting accessories in her car.
Why is it wet?
Ako na lang, mami.
Malayo ka eh. Make sure it's in the middle, ha?
How do you do?
It's gonna take forever.
Go there?
This is Kate's BMW.
Put it
That's
first.
sister Shane.
Make it sure it's in the middle.
This is the inside. Wow. Hi Shane. I think Kate's trying to put her. Look at mommy ha.
Tigilan mo na nga muna.
Look at mommy ha. I just sit her in the back.
Oh, what's the last time you've been in the back seat?
Yeah, I think that. Para you can have this one. Yeah. Okay, where's the middle? That one? That one?
Look like it's small ha.
No. Okay. Let me see. We need to put.
You need the tools.
No.
Wrong. Whoop, there it is. What's next?
Is in the middle?
The next is the Dyson.
Oh, smells good.
Ito naman lang. Anong sagrito? Beautiful.
I-ano mo lang to, ha? Oh, see? Nice.
Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Smelling good, huh? Look
Smells good.
at the dice. Beautiful dice. But that one don't affect your driving, huh? What's next? Accessories, mamis. The holder, coffee holder. How about the cover, Kate? Take it out.
Ako nagkakabit kami dun.
My daughter's first car. Regalo namin sa kanyang birthday at saka graduation. And then the shade. It matched the thing, huh? Oh, too big?
Big.
Ah, I can fold that.
Yeah, like this.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Ooh, yeah.
And then like this.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it matched the dice, huh? I love
Yeah,
it.
or-
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Okay.
What's next, mommy? How about the coffee holder, mommy?
Wala.
Ibutang ang coffee holder.
Ang hirap buksan.
Pang naspo-naspo. Cleaning. Oh, wow. Kaso hindi na magamit yan. Tayo yung binili doon sa coffee.
Galing ah.
Wow! Wow! Amazing.
Ano gamit?
Ang dami mo doon sa van eh. Ang lalaki
Van?
pa. Lalaki pa eh.
Hinahanap ko nga yun eh.
The green one, yung green.
Nandun pala.
Doon eh.
Tapos mag ano pa siya, Naggagalaw pa
Oh,
siya.
wow!
Oh.
See?
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 Ayaw mo kanina?
Sino sabi ayaw?
Mm.
Wow.
Tapos, ano?
Sana all, ha? Wow. Naging tripod, no? Pwede mong pamalo yan sa ano? Langaw. Wow.
Yan sa mga nagsasabi ng mga bad words.
Mayroon kaming kaano kanina guys, nagalit sa parking lot. Oh. First time in history, may nagalit.
Sasapakin ko na sana.
Show it, Kate. How you put that one?
No, you don't need.
Cup holder.
And then, which one you like? Like this?
Yeah, so
Or like this?
okay.
No, this one. This one is here?
Yeah.
Like that?
Or like in the middle. Oh no.
Yeah, like that. There you go.
Good? Is it good or what? Good year pa yan, ha? Good?
Ah, kaya na.
Pwede.
Kaso pwede siyang
Hindi siya sa
malagyan.
gabang?
Kaso parang ano, malambot, no? No, malambot siya. Paano na pag nilagyan mo siya ng ano,
Ay, ewan ko.
ng drinks? Yeah, that one is okay. This one
Okay
is
naman.
okay. Yeah, see?
Sturdy na.
Yeah,
Pwede
this
na.
one is not. But this one, you just put your cell phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Like-
Good, good. Saan yung
Yeah,
isang
like
accessories? Yung isa. Tanggalin mo yung isa.
Ano isa?
Yung aking binili ko.
Yung sa'yo naman, ano eh.
Try mo, try mo.
Yours is only up here.
Bottle holder, try mo.
See?
Oh.
Masikip, oh.
I can't put my seatbelt.
Yeah, you can put your seatbelt.
That's for the
and
other
then-
side. For me.
No, yeah,
That's for me, for the other side, yeah. That's why I only buy one. Yung robot na, yung robot na nagbigay ng pagkain.
Baka kami na order eh. Thank you. Thank you.
Alis na, oh, may paparating pa ang robot.
What is this? Bye.
Salita. Ayaw niya pupunta.
Doesn't matter what.
Oh, kasi may parating. Diba? Sabihin mo kaya tuminto kasi may parating pa.
Ay, gani. Umalis na yung isa. Ang galing yung robot nila.
Pagdating mo pa lang,
Ang galing yung
ka na
robot
order,
nila.
meron ka na kagad eh.
Magaling yung roboto nila mami. Natid na yung ulan na niya. Ang bait naman ng robot. Ito lang ang kainin namin. Ito lang yung pagkain namin dito guys. Kawawa naman.
How about fried rice?
Dahil nagbabay na siya. Ang galing naman yun. Wow, what's that? Sarap naman. Ni Mami.
Thank you.
Talsik-talsik na sa man.
I ordered the shrimp.
Ayan. Ayan siya na. Wow. Sana all.
Ito lagi kami naghihintay ko sa labas.
Corona yata yung ano. Sarap naman yan. Hamal, hamal. Wow. Sana all. No? Sabaw-sabaw ni Mami.
I don't
Close
want
again.
You doing?
How? Forward?
How di kalabaw?
Oh, bukas siya guys. Oh. Ganun lang pala din Mami. Dati din natin alam eh.
Oo, kasi yun.
I'm Sheng, overeating.
Oh,
We're
open.
having a-
Oh, nice.
What is the point?
You can open all the way. Nice car, Kitty. Good choice, Kitty.
Cheaper.
Para pa pa pa.
This is our, what, snacks.
Mommy's craving for a french fries. Oh. Kala ko may galit na naman. Oh. Labas ka naman Mami. Pagtanggol mo naman ako.
Oh, syempre. Tumatapang pala yung tao pagka ano, no?
Ay, bro.
Inaapi na yung ano mo, no?
Asian.
Oh, I know.
Don't
I'm
lie.
done.
Don't lie. You're literally
don't like.
having some.
I'm on diet.
No, you're not.
Still.
We're craving for some French fries, guys. Mom is craving.
May buto pa ng lemon.
We chill here in a little bit and get some avocado.
Milk tea. And I'm craving for fries.
Ganun lang ang buhay dito.
Oh my god.
Chill lang. Sa Amerika.
See?
Oh wow.
I dropped my first fry.
Oh.
Oh, it's just like home.
Katie dropped the French fries. Oh
Yes,
no.
you eat the bun. I said you're not
Oh,
allowed.
look at that.
You're not allowed to eat inside your car, but
Look at that, Kate.